So are you glad you quit the job and then just do this full time?
Yeah, definitely.
When I told you that when we were at class, you could make more money than what you was making at the place.
Yeah.
Right? And
You know what? Yeah.
7 grand, is that the most, how much have you ever made 7 grand in a month?
No, never, never.
So.
Actually, I was just doing my numbers. Well, I was like kind of busy and then close doing my part-time job. So
this is, instead of going up and down, try to get that pattern and go pattern-wise, because your better chance of getting that stuff to run is to do each section of things as that comes down. Does that make sense?
yeah, kind of like that. Like
Well, no, I meant more like, oh, go ahead and pull it. Keep, let's see, where's our 5? Let me see here. Keep that, and then do our pattern, right? Because when we do a pattern, and we come down, it's going to keep it flowing, and it's going to be faster than
okay.
going this here. Because right now, we got a pattern that we're going to make sure we're hitting, and usually I hit every slat, so then that way every slat's getting hit twice. So see, I can sit there, now I can move a little bit faster, and it's getting every slat because it's going to just keep that stuff running, right? So I can do all of this right here. Instead of, when I do this, I'm not getting a good, making sure, see, I just missed it. Yeah, I'm not getting a good flow and keeping that solid flow. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And I know a lot of people love to do the little shake off, but, and that's why I just come down and then I keep hitting every slat. And yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit more, but it's gonna make sure that I'm rinsing, right? Now, if you have a piece that's being stubborn, then I might give it a little bit extra flow, like, there you go. But then that way you also know it's clean and we're only hitting it one time. So you said you were looking at your numbers and what?
And so I think I've been hitting, even with my part-time, I think I was hitting around 4 grand.
4
you
grand.
know.
Are you gonna try to do Christmas lights or no?
Well,
Or are you gonna just try to make enough money and to make it through for the summertime and to get through it, the winter time?
I was gonna, yeah, I asked you about that, like the, like how much it costs to start that, you know? Like,
Yeah, not much, other than your safety equipment, right? Pitch hopper, your shoes, stuff like that. Now, do you have the stuff to do roof cleaning or no?
Yes, I did.
Okay, because I didn't know if you had it. I was trying to sell you a roof clean. I didn't know if you had it or not.
Yeah, I got the, actually I have the,
I was trying to get you an $1,800 roof clean, which that's probably even cheap for this, but that's more than what you would have been at. You would have been like, I would do it for $500.
No, definitely I wouldn't have the price, man. So I don't know, not sure, like all the software systems.
Yeah.
One video you have, like under 500.
Yeah. So what I would do right here, where you didn't get it good enough, or you didn't soap it, you might have to actually put a little soap on that one. But that's not that cool. You might have to rinse that. You got dirt. That's the bad thing about white is it keeps running the dirt down.
Yeah.
There you go. I think you're good. See how much better when we go them slats, it really rinses that crap down. And where if we do the shaky shake, it don't get it down as good. And right there's a little bit of mold too, isn't it? That ain't too bad for as dirty as this side was. Let's try something here. Put your high pressure.